going to bury this time capsule. This will take all day. Well, we don't have the right tools for it. Whatever, get some. Follow me.
We are at the Ames True Temper manufacturing plant in Carlisle, PA. From the outside, it does not look large, but inside, it's filled with history, tool manufacturing, tool distribution, and a variety of careers.
The Ames history goes back. We are the third oldest consumer product company in the United States. Ames started in 1774 by a man named John Adams in Bridgewater, Massachusetts. And True Temper name came after a tempering process that was patented for the shovels.
We take a handle, long handle, and most of them we drill a hole in the end of the handle, and then put a barrel on there, and then we lay it on the machine, and then we have the head. Just say if it's a rake head, we'll put the rake on the machine, and then push a foot pedal. It's foot pedal operated, and then push that, and then it pushes that into the hole.
There's so many careers here. If you start ground level, if you come in through manufacturing, you have forklift operators, you have setup positions, you have DC operators, you could be a lead, you could go into sales, you can go into IT, you can go into maintenance, you can go into marketing, or you can go into management.
I fix the machines whenever they break.
I'm an operator 3, which means I can pretty much run every cell machine in here. It's a good company. It's local. It's like family oriented. There is a lot of good people that work here.
All the time, and I had this opportunity to come here, and now I've only been here about 2 years, but I've been able to grow up in this company very fast, and it's a good company to work for.
Now we have the right tools for the job. You ready to start digging, Leah?
Yeah.